For centuries, humans have placed themselves at the top of the intellectual ladder. We often view animals as driven by simple instincts, lacking the complex thoughts, feelings, and social structures that define our own species. But what if this perception is fundamentally flawed? What if the animal kingdom is teeming with intelligence that we are only beginning to understand? Emerging research is challenging our long-held assumptions about animal intelligence, revealing a world of sophisticated communication, problem-solving skills, and even self-awareness in creatures great and small. From the depths of the ocean to the branches of the forest, animals are constantly demonstrating abilities that were once considered uniquely human. Observing a chimpanzee meticulously crafting a tool to extract termites from a mound, or witnessing a dolphin solve a complex puzzle, challenges us to reconsider what it means to be intelligent. It compels us to acknowledge the remarkable cognitive abilities that exist beyond the confines of our own species. The vast oceans hold some of the most intelligent creatures on Earth: whales and dolphins. These marine mammals have intricate communication systems that rival our own in complexity. Whales, for instance, communicate using a variety of clicks, whistles, and songs that can travel for miles underwater. These vocalizations are not random sounds, they are structured and patterned, conveying information about food sources, migration routes, and even individual identities. Humpback whales, in particular, are known for their hauntingly beautiful songs, which can last for hours and change over time, suggesting a form of cultural transmission. Dolphins too possess remarkable communication skills. They use a complex system of whistles, clicks, and body language to coordinate hunting strategies, navigate their surroundings, and maintain social bonds. Researchers have even documented dolphins using distinct vocalizations to refer to specific individuals, similar to how humans use names. These findings highlight the advanced communication skills present in the animal kingdom, blurring the lines between human language and animal communication. Intelligence takes many forms, and in the avian world, crows and ravens stand out as masters of problem-solving and tool use. These birds display a remarkable ability to understand cause and effect, often surpassing the abilities of young human children in certain cognitive tasks. One striking example is the New Caledonian crow, known for its ability to craft and use tools in the wild. These crows fashion twigs and leaves into hooks to extract insects from crevices, demonstrating a deep understanding of their environment and the ability to innovate solutions to challenges. Ravens, too, exhibit impressive cognitive abilities. They have been observed engaging in complex social interactions, such as deceptive behavior to hoard food and collaborating with others to solve puzzles. In one experiment, ravens were presented with a piece of meat hanging from a string. To reach the food, the ravens had to work together, pulling on the string in a coordinated manner. These examples of avian intelligence showcase the remarkable problem-solving skills present in the animal kingdom, challenging the notion that tool use and complex cognition are exclusive to humans. Self-awareness, the ability to recognize oneself as an individual distinct from others, was once considered a hallmark of human consciousness. However, research suggests that this cognitive capacity is not limited to our species. Elephants, with their large brains and complex social structures, have shown compelling evidence of self-recognition. In mirror self-recognition tests, elephants will often touch a mark placed on their bodies while looking in the mirror, indicating an understanding that the reflection is a representation of themselves. This behavior suggests a level of self-awareness that was once thought to be absent in non-human animals. Octopuses, despite their evolutionary distance from mammals, also display remarkable intelligence and problem-solving abilities. These cephalopods are masters of camouflage, able to change the color and texture of their skin to blend seamlessly with their surroundings. They have also been observed navigating mazes, opening jars, and even using tools, demonstrating a level of cognitive flexibility that rivals some primates. Section 5, a world of feeling, exploring emotions and empathy in animals. As we delve deeper into the realm of animal intelligence, it becomes increasingly difficult to ignore the possibility that animals experience a range of emotions just like humans do. While we may not be able to ask animals how they are feeling, observing their behavior provides compelling evidence of emotional depth. Elephants, known for their strong family bonds, exhibit behaviors associated with grief, such as mourning the loss of a herd member. Dolphins have been observed comforting distressed companions, suggesting a capacity for empathy. Even rats, often viewed as pests, have shown remarkable empathy in studies. In one experiment, rats were less likely to pull a lever that would deliver them food, if doing so meant inflicting a shock on a fellow rat, suggesting an aversion to causing harm to others. Section 6. Cultural creatures, traditions and knowledge passed down through generations. Culture, often considered a defining characteristic of human societies, is not unique to our species. Animals too exhibit cultural behaviors, passing down knowledge and traditions from one generation to the next. This transmission of learned behaviors plays a crucial role in their survival and adaptation to their environment. One example can be found in the matriarchal societies of elephants. Older, more experienced females lead elephant herds, guiding them to food and water sources and protecting them from danger. This knowledge is passed down through generations, with younger females learning essential survival skills from their elders. Chimpanzees also display cultural variations across different populations. For instance, different groups of chimpanzees have developed unique methods for using tools, such as cracking open nuts or fishing for termites. These techniques are not determined by genetics, but are learned through observation and imitation, highlighting the role of culture in shaping animal behavior. Section 7. Rethinking our relationship. The ethical implications of animal intelligence. The growing body of evidence demonstrating the intelligence and emotional complexity of animals raises profound ethical questions about our relationship with the natural world. If animals are capable of feeling a range of emotions, experiencing grief, and forming strong social bonds, can we justify exploiting them for our own benefit? The intelligence of animals challenges us to reconsider our role as stewards of the planet. It compels us to move beyond a purely utilitarian view of animals as resources to be exploited and embrace a more compassionate and ethical approach to our interactions with other species. Recognizing the intelligence of animals requires us to re-evaluate our practices in areas such as factory farming, animal testing, and wildlife conservation. It calls for a shift towards more humane and sustainable practices that prioritize the well-being of all creatures. Section 8. A planet to share, recognizing our place in the web of life. The realization that we share the planet with a multitude of intelligent beings compels us to reconsider our place in the natural world. We are not the sole proprietors of intelligence or consciousness. Rather, we are part of a vast and interconnected web of life, each species with its own unique abilities and perspectives. Acknowledging the intelligence of animals fosters a sense of humility and wonder. It reminds us that the natural world is full of mysteries yet to be unraveled, and that our understanding of other species is constantly evolving. By embracing a more inclusive view of intelligence, we open ourselves up to a deeper appreciation of the natural world and the intricate connections that bind us to all living creatures. This shift in perspective has the potential to inspire greater conservation efforts, more ethical treatment of animals, and a more harmonious relationship with our planet. Section 9. The future of understanding, continuing to explore the animal mind. The study of animal intelligence is an ongoing journey of discovery, constantly pushing the boundaries of our understanding of the natural world. As we develop new technologies and research methods, we can expect even more astonishing revelations about the cognitive abilities, emotional lives, and cultural richness of animals. By continuing to explore the animal mind, we not only gain a deeper appreciation for the diversity and wonder of life on Earth, but also challenge our own assumptions about intelligence, consciousness, and what it means to be human. This ongoing quest for knowledge has the potential to transform our relationship with the natural world, fostering greater respect, empathy, and a shared sense of responsibility for the planet we call home.